Alright, YouTube, I am back with another dirt test. Since I can't go out and do anything today because it's raining, might as well do something that I can do inside. I'm gonna do another big dirt test, and I picked out the perfect beastie for this test. Yep, my Hoover Conquest. Since this barely makes an appearance on the channel anymore, let's give it an appearance. Hang on a second. It's probably because the bag's almost full. No. There's probably stuff in the fill tube, but overall it seemed to clean it up pretty good. Don't worry if the bag does end up full. I got an extra bag right there. So let's go ahead and give it a pit stop and see what the big deal is. See if it is plugged up or something. Doesn't seem like it. Not in there anyway. Up, yeah, I feel something down in there. Yeah, there is something in it. Feels like a piece of cardboard. I never did pick up a piece of cardboard at work. Oh well. Tell me how y'all liked it. Tell me what y'all would like to see. And I will see what I can do and how I can do it. This vacuum is a beast right here. And aside from it, from what feels like a piece of cardboard being stuck in the fill tube, I'd say it did a pretty good job cleaning up that mess. So, until next time, bye.
That big 8-wheeler rolling down the track means your true loving daddy ain't coming back, 'cause I'm moving on. I'll soon be gone.